guys, I'm back with another mani. So I have some nail tips here. These are from 𝑻𝒊𝒔𝒉. These are short square tips. And then I have two dip powders here. This is color 249 and color 307 from an Azure Beauty dip kit that was sent over to me quite some time ago. They sent out over 2 kits. And so this kit is the Jingle Bells kit. It's a 31 piece kit on Amazon that currently retails for $31.99. So let's go ahead and get into this application. Now, I must say, I haven't done dip powder on my regular nails in quite some time. I've been using these press-ons, and I do like it because, number one, I don't feel so rushed to get anything perfect, so to speak. I just like, polishing these, and then I can have them ready. Now, I end up doing 2 sets of press-on nails for New Year's Eve, or for 2 videos. So I don't actually put them on in this video, but I will have probably do a YouTube short with me wearing the nails. And so prior to this, I had that little purple device on top of the dip powder base. That is a mani maker, I think that's the name of it. I got it off Amazon. You just stick it on the handle. It fits on most polish handles, whether it's dip powder products or gel polish or regular polish, and it allows you to open it easy, grip it easy, and also it's weighted. So if you have like a bottle that feels really light, or a handle that feels really light, it works, but it does add a significant amount of weight to the handle. And so I'm just polishing the dip base on there, and I'm just laying the nail flat in the dip powder. And that is a reusable dip powder cup holder or dip powder holder. This is from SJ3 Designs. I thought it was from Chaos Concepts. I said in a different video, but this one is from SJ3D Designs. I think I have about 4, and they are pliable, so when you dump the dip powder in there, you can squeeze it to place it back into the jar, and then it just easily brushes out with a nail brush. I usually brush it out over a trash can, or if you're not satisfied once you brush it out, you can hand wash them in warm soapy water if you want to. I haven't done that yet, and I've had these for quite a while because brushing them out works just fine. Now with this gold glitter, it does have hints of pink in there. I don't know if you can see it or not, and so I do apply this glitter to my the thumbnail and the pinky. So you can see how I'm able to squeeze that that holder and just pour the powder easily back into the jar, no problems whatsoever. And then off camera, I do brush that out, as I mentioned before, over the trash can with that excess dip powder. And so in that same kit, clear dip powder did come in the kit, which I was surprised. And so I will be encapsulating both of those glitter nails in clear, and then I will go in and apply activator to harden the dip powder. And so with the nail, I don't show both on camera, but with that pinky nail, I do brush off excess dip powder, and I'm applying a layer of dip base. And I'm just going to pour over. Don't pour aggressively, because you could end up getting glitter in all that dip powder. And so I'm just lightly tapping the jar to pour over to cover that whole nail. And what I will do with the dip powder in the holder is just toss that in the trash. And so I'm going in with Azure Beauty's activator and applying a generous amount to all nails. I do off camera, I take a file and lightly go around the entire nail, and then I will buff the nail until it is smooth. And so also with these press-ons, when I do this, when you do this, you really don't have lumpy nails. So it's not a whole lot of work you got to do. Now I did the nails that I encapsulated in clear first, because that black is not covered in clear, and black is a highly pigmented color, and so it is staining my brush. I am wiping it off on a paper towel over to the left that is off camera. And what I'll do is I'll take that paper towel, you can see that black on there, and I'm just wiping it on here until I get the brush clear, just because I don't want my activator to be stained with that black. It still works, but I don't want it. And so I'm just taking the rim of my base and top coat, it's a 2-in-1, and just wiping that off, hopefully to keep it from sealing shut. And so after I file and buff the nails off camera, I do take a lead-free wipe with water and wipe them off, and you can see that mini maker just pops right off of there. And so here are the nails, and so of course we're going to go in with some nail stamping. So I'm going to use a total of 2 stamping plates. One is from Clear Jelly Stamper and another one is from 𝑻𝒊𝒔𝒉. And so I am an affiliate of Clear Jelly Stamper, and this color Ho 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 is from 𝑻𝒊𝒔𝒉. It has the colors of the glitter polish in there, so I'm an affiliate of both Clear Jelly Stamper and 𝑻𝒊𝒔𝒉. The discount codes will be in the description box below. And so I wanted to stamp the champagne flutes, and so I was able to get the bubbly that's inside of the glasses. I stamped that first, and then I'm going to go in and stamp the champagne flutes. And so I was using this color Cozy from 𝑻𝒊𝒔𝒉, but it did not stamp well. It could be user error, I don't know. And I did not use any type of sticky base coat, and so I pick it up and it's on the stamper, but when I went to place it on the nail, it did not transfer, and I tried it twice and it still didn't transfer. And so you can see it did not transfer. And so I go in with another color, I think it's called On Fire from Born Pretty. It's a stamping polish, and so I end up using that instead. And so this stamping was a little bit difficult because I was just taking a gander as to what I wanted to put on those 3 black nails as I went along. I end up stamping all of the nails, and so just hang out with me while I do this stamping. Oh, and at the end, what happened, I went to put the tabs inside the nails so that when I'm ready to wear them, I can just pull the plastic backing off, and doggone it, I dropped this particular nail here that I'm stamping on right now, and I couldn't find that nail. I heard it hit something in my nail room. I couldn't find it. Like, I searched, turned on the flashlight on my phone, search, had my husband looking. Y'all, I could not find that doggone nail. So I had to redo the whole middle nail off camera, which kind of irritated me, but lo and behold, it only took like less than 5 minutes to do the doggone nail over again, and I was pleasantly surprised. Plus I already knew what I was going to do, and so I'm going in with the little bubbles from that same plate and just stamping that over the nail. And so that's all I'm going to do to that nail. And one thing I did like with the stamping, since I had on gloves, I just used my thumbnail to remove excess stamping polish from the stamper before I placed it on the nail. So just hang out with me while I finish this nail stamping. Now, I don't know why I said hang out with me, because I knew I was going to come back and run my mouth some more. So with the 𝑻𝒊𝒔𝒉 Beauty Plate, I wanted to put New Year on the nail. I first stamped it in the kind of rose, kind of metallic color on the nail, and then I went in and did some double stamping, and I did it with the gold. Well, off camera, I took that off and just stamped it in gold, because I was like, this looks like a blurry mess. I don't like it. And so I go on with the gold. I used the wrong color. I forgot that 𝑻𝒊𝒔𝒉 didn't show up well, and I've used that color before, so it just didn't work well for what I was trying to do here. And so I'm going in with the little firework. I'm putting one in the corner, and then I'm going to go in with that Ho Ho Ho, which is the metallic pink or glittery pink, whatever you want to call it, holographic, whatever it is. And I'm going to stamp that on the other side of that nail. On the other black nail, I do go in and do some with the Clear Jelly Stamper plate. I'll go in with the fireworks, and so you have the middle finger, the index finger, and then ring finger. The index finger is currently blank, And so I'm going in with the fireworks, and I'm going to apply that to the nail, and then I'm going to stamp the 2-4 on the pinky from the Uber Chic plate, and then I'm going to stamp on the thumbnail as well. And so the number 2 took me a few times as well to get that where I wanted it, or to my liking, let me say it that way. So I have to get all my stamping done. I thought these nails were really cute. I'm going in with my little blinged out lamp I got from Amazon during the last Prime Day sale. And so I'm going in with Young Nails Ultimate Finish Gel, applying a layer of that to all nails, and then I will cure them in my LED lamp. Good thing about doing these, you don't have to worry about sticking your hand in the lamp. And I do apply adhesive tabs inside the nails again, so that when I'm ready to use it, I just pop off the back and then place them on my hand, and then they will be reusable. I'm not a fan of nail glue, even though I have some, but I'm scared to use it. Plus I don't want to keep these nails on. Using adhesive tabs, they usually last about 1 to 2 days. It just depends. My last set lasted about 3. And so guys, please like this video if you found value. Leave a comment, let me know what you think about these nails, and if you do your own press-ons, and would you wear them. And subscribe to my channel. It is free $99. And so I appreciate you guys for watching. I will see you next time, and Happy New Year to you. Be safe.